All right, superhero scholars, it's time to bring everything together for our final activity of the day, which also concludes week 1 of our distance learning unit. We are going to be composing an argument. As you know, this unit will be developing our skills in argumentation, writing an argument. The final for this unit will ask you to write an argument. So let's get a practice one in here at the end of week 1. Now, to make an argument, you first need to take a position. Today's prompt asks you whether you believe in the power of free will, or do you think that fate has the strongest influence over what happens to us? So you have a question and you've got 2 possible answers. Choosing one of those answers is how you begin making an argument, because you are taking a position. So let's go ahead and access the argument outline here for our fate versus free will argument. This is where you are going to draft your argument. Okay, this is your first run through before typing it in on the exit ticket and submitting it at the end of the lesson. You've got your persuasive argument outline, analysis, free will versus fate. There's our title. Then I get a little bit of a summary about Mercutio and Romeo, and talking about how one character believes more in free will and choice, and the other constantly is talking about fate and destiny. So this reviews the ideas of the essential question that we've been covering this week. And then each question here guides you through developing your position, and then bringing claims, which are reasons why you took that position. Now, if you follow each prompt, what you're going to end up doing is having a position and then a claim, and for every claim you have evidence. Now, whenever you need evidence, I'm going to ask you either to use an example from real life or another story that you may know of, or you can be using examples from the tragedy of Romeo and Juliet. That's why it's really important that you're using your notes, including all of the quick writing from even lesson 1. Definitely everything from lesson 2, and definitely everything from lesson 3 today. Use those to fill in these prompts to piece together the outline of your argument. Now, when you're done with that, back here on our slideshow, what you'll notice is we'll have an exit ticket. Now, the Google form is the place where you will either copy and paste, or you can use that to revise and edit your argument outline and enter it in. And that is how you finish this week's work. Now, you're also going to be required to take a little bit of a reflection. Now, the reflection, the end of week reflection, is just asking you about how this distance learning is going, what supports are working for you, and what more do you need. So, to recap here, our last 2 steps are first the argument outline, and then the exit ticket, which has your reflection. Both of those things, the final version that you submit, will be on your Google form. Okay? Good luck. I really look forward to seeing everything that you've written. Great work this first week, and as always, take care of yourself and reach out if you need any help. I'm proud of you guys. Okay, let's do this.